Okay, so this Theorem 1215 in circle geometry focuses on finding the segment length. Okay, so our focus in here is finding segment length. Okay, so these are the three given situations in Theorem 1215. So when there are two internal angles that intersect inside a circle, the other one is having an external tangent, sorry, not external tangent, external point where it creates an angle outside. Okay, so this angle and this angle, and yet we can find its segment length. Okay, so remember that the focus of this theorem is more on segment length. Okay, so let's give you some examples. Okay, so here, so the first segment length in here that we're going to be looking at, if you're going to be looking at this letter A in here, is actually more on just like the second situation in Theorem 1215. Okay, so let's just say that this is going to be, what's our formula in there? It's actually W plus X here. W plus X multiplied by by W is equal to Y plus Z multiplied by Y. Okay, so let's label our numbers here. So our W here is going to be this one, and this is going to be your X. This is going to be your Y, and this is going to be your Z. Okay, so let's go with it. Okay, our X in here, our W first is 6. So 6 plus 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to, our Y here is going to be 7 plus Y. Do we know the Y? Okay, multiplied by 7. Okay, so we don't know our Y in here. This one, we don't know this part. Okay, so 6 plus 8 is going to give you 14. 14 times 6. Okay, distributive property, that's going to give you 49 plus 7y. Okay, 14 times 6 is going to give you 84, is equal to 49 plus 7y. Got it? Okay, now we're going to transfer this one on the other side, so that's going to give you 84 minus 49 is equal to 7y. Okay, and 84 minus 49 is going to give you 35 is equal to 7y. Okay, we're gonna divide this by 7, so what is left here in now is just y is equal to 35 over 7. And what is 35 over 7? Okay, what is 35 over 7? That's gonna give you 5. That's where we get 5. Okay, understand? I hope you understand that. Okay, the second situation in here in letter B is just like this situation in here in number 3. So if you're going to look at its equation, it's very simple, because this is the only one with a t square, okay, or whatever variable you're going to use in there, okay, or whatever number that comes out in there. Okay, so we're going to use that. So in letter B here, this is our letter B. Okay, so our formula is going to be just like z square is equal to, okay, if you're going to be looking at back again, just like this one. Okay, you are going to multiply always with the outside segment. Okay, so that's going to be 16 plus 8. Outside segment is 8, so it's going to be 8. So z squared is, that's going to be 16 plus 8 is going to give you 24. 24 times 8. Okay, so z squared is going to give you 192. Now we're going to get its value now. So z here is the square root. What do you think is the square root of 192? Okay, The square root of 192 is simply 13.85. I'll get it to 4 decimal places first, okay, and then I'll reduce that to 2 decimal places, 13.86. Okay, so that is the value of our z here. That z in there is actually 13.86. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. Okay, if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.